All right, so now we have a sneak peek here at this kind of cute. We're gonna have to probably redo the drawer. This client wanted this very, probably not great, but makeup table, and they, we're just gonna make the drawer shorter so that you can actually sit at it and a flat front. But it matches, you know, this little blue vanity with an offset sink, and I think this little bathroom is starting to really look pretty darling. Love the mosaic, the little hex mosaic on the floor. It's really quite nice, and I think that once we get done, we have to fix this corner to tile it around it and wrap it with bullnose. And my bullnose corners have to come in the right size, but I'm telling you, it's starting to look like a little gem for trying to be, you know, I suppose, more price sensitive about how we make this look fabulous. So once we finish grouting it all, it's going to be a cute little bathroom for her. Ciao for now.